If you want to land a job in tech, network with people, build bridges, connect with people, and it will be much more easier for you to get a job in tech. And not only a job, but it will also help you to reach other levels of height you haven't even reached before. How else do you think Danny Thompson reached the level of heights he has reached right now? It's through networking and connecting with people. That's his main secret. There is no other way out. Like, you need to network with people. If even if you have all the technical skills right in the world and you are at the top, how would people get to know that you exist? How would employers know you? How would recruiters get to know you? When you network with people and you help people out and you share your knowledge, people will advocate for you even when you're not in the room. So network with people, go out, go to conferences, attend meetups, help people out and learn from them too, right? Even online, be active on LinkedIn, be active on X, join software engineering groups, connect with people, and you'll see that you'll reach the heights you haven't even known of. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more. Until next time.